Welcome to the Instrument Wonderland. Unlock the magic of music for your child. Are you looking for introducing music instruments for your children, engaging, and educational way to introduce your little one to the beautiful world of music? Look no further. Our YouTube channel is here to spark curiosity and excitement in child minds as they discover the joy of musical instruments in the most entertaining way possible. And they can see and hear all instruments. This will allow them to make the most correct choice. For example, your child may have never seen or heard the clarinet, and your child may have a brilliant talent for playing this instrument and become a great musician in the future, but because he or she never saw or heard it as a child, sadly missing out on this great opportunity. Music is more than just sound. It's a powerful tool that boosts creativity, enhances cognitive development, and nurtures emotional expression. But how do you make a best choice about instruments fun and engaging for kids? That's where we come in. Our channel is designed to captivate your child's imagination while making it easy for you to foster their love for music. What makes our channel special? Fun and interactive various instruments introducing. We introduce various instruments in a way that kids absolutely love. Vibrant and playful animations, keeping children entertained while they learn. Inspiring mini performances, showing kids the magic of music. Parent-friendly tips, helping you encourage your child's musical journey at home. Easy-to-follow explanations introducing, seeing, and hearing the sounds of all instruments to discover your child's talent. Whether your child dreams of strumming a guitar, drumming to a rhythm, or playing a magical tune on the piano, we're here to guide them every step of the way. Every video is crafted with love and passion to ensure learning is always a joyful experience. All videos created by AI. Join our musical adventure. Hit that subscribe button now, give us a like, and share our videos with other families. Your support helps us create more exciting and educational content for kids everywhere. Let's make music an unforgettable part of your child's world, one instrument at a time.